Felicia, welcome back to my channel. So this is the music section of Fancy by Twice. If you guys want the explanation tutorial where I teach you step by step, make sure you guys click up there and I'll link it in the description box as well. But if you guys wanted to go slow with me and then go to full speed, then you came to the right place. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are the first ones to see this video. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Thank you guys so much for learning this with me. Hope you guys had fun. I really like this choreo and I think JYP is doing a great job with his kiddos, Stray Kids, Twice, ITZY, you name it, they're doing great. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button so you guys get tutorials early, and my social media sites are all in the description box below. My Instagram dance account cover is Felicia.covers. So I hope to see you guys there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!